In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted group on Monday.com as we step through this process together. Whether it was a simple mistake or a necessity, accidentally deleting a group can happen to anyone. Thankfully, Monday.com makes it easy to recover these lost groups with just a few simple actions. Let's explore how you can efficiently bring your deleted groups back to life. First, we need to navigate to the board where the group was originally located. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account and selecting the board that's related to the group you've deleted. If you have multiple boards, you can find the correct one by either checking the board list or using the search function. Once you've successfully navigated to the right board, keep a steady pace as you follow along with the remaining instructions. Now that you're on the board, all groups associated with it will be visible. Although the purpose here isn't to delete, it's crucial to know that groups can be deleted from this area for this restoration process afterwards. If you have deleted a group, it's essential to remember that it's not permanently gone yet, it's only been moved to the trash. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice the famous 3 dots or ellipsis icon. This is your gateway to more options. Click on it and explore the drop-down menu that appears. In the menu, you'll find the option labeled View Archive Trash. Clicking on this will lead us to our next essential location, the trash area of Monday.com. Once inside the trash view, carefully identify your deleted group. This area stores all the items you've recently deleted, offering a safety net. If you've made multiple deletions, scroll through to find the correct group you want to restore. After pinpointing the right group in the trash, move your cursor over to the 3 dots next to it, similar to the ellipsis from before. This option, when clicked, will reveal another menu of actions you can take. Now, the most significant step, click on Restore. This action triggers the restoration process, swiftly returning the group to its initial state in the original board it was deleted from, and there you have it. Your deleted group should now be successfully restored and back in its rightful place on the board. Regularly performing this procedure on Monday.com ensures that any mistakenly deleted groups can be efficiently retrieved without hassle. Remember, it's always reassuring to know that recovery is just a few clicks away when errors occur. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Monday.com account with confidence and ease.